Hi everyone, make 4 bunches. On the top bunch insert a hair loop and bring it on top and divide into 2 and make rubber bands and have a hair shape. Then attach it to the ponytail at the bottom. Split your hair into 3 sections and have the ponytails on the sides. Then make 4 little ponytails at the bottom and spread them by making it in a triangular loop manner. Then drop it on the ponytail at the sides and have a lovely hair ribbon and braid it along with the hair, forming a braid. Then twist the braid forming a bun and secure it. Have 3 little ponytails in the middle section of your hair and make a triangular loop out of it using rubber bands and make a ponytail in the end and have a beautiful ribbon and braid it. Then roll the braid in a clockwise manner and secure it with a rubber band. Divide your hair into 3 sections. In the middle section, make a lovely ponytail and make them bulbous in between by making it continuous. At the back side, apply some hair wax and braid it and bend the braid and have a rubber band attached and make it curvy by using excessive rubber bands and decorate with hair clips. Make hair ties in the middle section of the hair and connect all of them together at the back. So apply some hair wax on the remaining part and bring the loop on the top and have a braid and make a heart shape. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair after applying hair wax and braid it. Then grab some hair from the sides and tie it in the middle and make a twist in the loop. Then the remaining section of the hair braid it and make it on top and have a hair clutcher. Apply some hair wax on your lovely hair and make a bunch on top and make 2 braids out of it and split your hair into 2 sections. On top part of each section, braid it and also combine the braid with the bottom section of the hair and complete it. Divide your hair into 2 sections after waxing it and have a braid in the ponytail. Make the braid sit on the ponytail and make a heart shape out of the bunch and secure the rubber band. Make a curvy design by using excessive rubber bands after braiding it. Have top and bottom section of the hair. The top section, make a ponytail and twist it and make a bun by swirling it in a clockwise manner and securing it inside and having a hair clutcher. The bottom section of the hair, split that into 2 and form a braid. Do it on the other side by pinching them out for volume. Thank you guys for watching this video.